Dale D'Antoni here with our first ever episode of The Plant-Based Baller. What do you got for us today, Mr. D'Antoni? We got the mixed berry Mary Jane Holiday Jolly Juice. We're gonna toss these in there. You see this angle right here? All right, we're gonna mix some of these in there. Mix some of these, and I bet you didn't even know how to open a banana. You open it from this side. You ever seen a chimpanzee open it? They open it this way. All right, toss that in there. Half cup of almond milk, and then you got your coconut oil. If you remember, folks, everybody in the crowd, if you remember we made this a little while earlier, very simple. You take your CBD, pour that in here. Step 2, you're gonna take a coconut, super simple. Cracks right open like that, because that's how coconuts work. Put this right back on the top. Again, you don't have to run to your trunk. Set that to 160. And you're gonna hit 1 hour, set it and forget it. Pour that in there. We close her up. And after 2 minutes, in this bad boy right here, boom, you got your mixed berry Mary Jane Holiday Jolly Juice smoothie. Use code RIFRAF over at MagicalButter.com. Get yourself a magic butter machine for you, yourself, your friends, families. Buy them. It's gonna help you a lot. From yours truly, Mr. Dale D'Antoni. Wish you many monies for many moons. Make sure to get yourself a nice Lamborghini limo, flip it around town. Flip my Lamborghini around back. We're headed to the stars. Headed to the stars, nice. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah.